In this video, let's say how to use the off-canvas widget of a classic add-on plugin. First, open the Elementor editor and click on this plus icon to add a new section, or you can add it in your existing section. And here you can choose your preferred layout. And in the left sidebar, click on this widget options and search for the off-canvas. Simply click on it to add it in your section. And the first option is popover trigger text type. And here you can choose the preferred popover trigger type. From the icon, button, image or text. Now let's choose the text. And the next one is Offcanvas animation, and here you can choose your preferred animation. Let's choose right push. And the next one is Offcanvas type. Here you can choose text content or HTML element. And let's choose text content now. And in the Offcanvas content area, you can enter your preferred content. And the next part is text, and here you can enter the text for the popover text. And the next option is style, and here you can change the off canvas font color. And the next one is link color. You can choose your preferred link color here. And the next one is link hover color. Choose your preferred color. And the next option is off canvas background color. And the next part is trigger text, and here you can change the color for the trigger text. And here you can change the typography. Also you can change it in the overview too. Finally update it, and let's check it in the output.